In this video, I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of septum piercings. So to get started, we'll do pros. One of the main pros, that is the reason that most people get it, is because it's easy to hide. All you have to do with a standard horseshoe, which is what you get pierced with, so not this one, a bar that comes down with two little balls on the end, you simply flip it up and it goes up your nose and no one can see it. Another pro is that you can buy so much jewelry for it. So like this one's a clicker and you can get like a million different other clickers, like tribal looking ones. There's ones with jewels like this one, heaps of different colors of like titanium, that sort of thing. For horseshoes, you can get a full ring, you can get a BCR, so the one with a little ball down the bottom. Something that I loved that the lead singer of Gym Class Heroes used to do was he would wear a curved bar in his septum with like huge balls in it, and it looked so cool on him. And I tried to do it. Did not look cool on me, but yeah, you could wear a curved bar. I think it just looks cooler on guys to have the curved bar. That's a super different option that like not many people do. Looks cool on him. I'll see if I can find a photo and put it somewhere. Here it is. Another pro is that it does not hurt. It's not a painful piercing at all. As long as your piercer goes through the perfect spot, which is the sweet spot, that is a thin, tiny, like little piece of skin that it just like slips through like butter. Mine hurt like nothing, and that's what it should feel like. It shouldn't be painful. There's no visible scar, so yeah, once you take it out, it's like it wasn't even there. They heal really quickly. Like, because it's such a tiny amount of skin, and I guess it's such a small amount of area for your body to heal, it's not a big deal for it basically, and it's not going through cartilage. But with this area, it shouldn't take long because it's so tiny and so thin. Now into cons. I see them pierced wrong so often. Someone who isn't a piercer may not notice at all. I'd say a lot of people don't notice. A lot of people don't, because people will come in and it's pierced in the absolutely wrong spot. Like sometimes they're pierced at the bottom of the nose down here. Like what why? And as a piercer, you look at it and you know it looks stupid, but I guess other people don't know it looks stupid, but you do now. Going on from that with another con is this all comes down to like, I guess the experience of the person or the way the piercer has been taught. The amount of times you see them pierce like wonky, so they're like say this is going through the nose, it's sitting straight, they're sitting like that. Not everyone uses a clamp, but if they've used a clamp, the way the clamp's sitting and it isn't sitting perfectly straight, and that can affect that. So you do see a lot of them that are wonky, so many. And yeah, if you have like long nails, changing the balls on those guys can be very irritating. But I mean, that's pretty much with a lot of things, but I think people find it really hard with the septum because it's like right next to another ball and you're like, yeah. Some advice, I guess, but also a con with clickers, you need to be really careful with which ones you're buying, because so many of them that are out there are sold as body jewelry, but it's just fashion, like shitty, cheap nickel jewelry, which you shouldn't be wearing. I've seen so many people put it in and then they're like, it goes green and septum is sore, and it's just like, did you even look at what you were buying? Because this is not what you should be wearing on a daily basis. But anyway, so yeah, just looking for higher quality jewelry like surgical steels, titanium, 14 karat, 24 karat, and check that they're not just like plated in that, because once that plating wears off, there could be nickel underneath. Blowing your nose with it, I guess at the beginning can be painful, and then once you are blowing your nose with it, especially like horseshoes and stuff, you just want to like make sure you haven't got any bugs just hanging on there. Another con that like, I mean, if you get affected by comments that people make, every second person, you're either a bull's the most common one, or you're a pig because you're wearing it, and I'm the fucking coolest pig in the pig pen, like whatever. So like, if you don't like those comments, don't do it. The best meme of my life goes to, it's so good. Just being real, it doesn't look good on everyone. Some people will get it, then they'll go look in the mirror and they'll be like, oh, I don't like it. The first few times that happened, I was just like, the fuck are you talking about? And then I was just like, yeah, just doesn't look good on you. That's your problem, not mine. So like, if you're not sure if you think it will suit you, just get like a fake, one of those like fake ones that goes up just so you can see what it will sort of look like. Those are my pros and cons of the septum piercing. Let me know if you're gonna get it. Leave me a comment below. Give us a like and subscribe. I put out videos Monday or Tuesday, depending on what I'm feeling that week. Let me know if there's anything, any particular piercing videos or anything you'd like to see. Let me know down below. See ya.